Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn the suffix ist. This small ending changes nouns into words for people. Artist means person who creates art. Scientist means person who studies science. Pianist means person who plays piano. The suffix ist shows a person who does something. The suffix ist turns a noun into a person who practices, believes in, or specializes in something. When you add ist to a root word, it names the person connected to that activity or field. This pattern helps build many English words for professions and experts. Artist is a person who creates paintings, drawings, and sculptures. Scientist is a person who studies nature, experiments, and discovers facts. Pianist is a person who plays piano music beautifully. Each word follows the same pattern. Root plus ist equals person. Dentist is a tooth doctor who fixes teeth and prevents problems. Journalist is a news reporter who writes stories for newspapers and TV. Tourist is a traveler who visits new places for fun and adventure. Notice how ist always shows the person doing the action. Guitarist is a guitar player who performs music on stage. Novelist is a fiction writer who creates stories and books. Dentist again, the tooth specialist who cares for your smile. These common words show how ist works in daily English conversation. The simple rule: root word plus ist equals person who does or studies that thing. Violinist is violin player. Biologist is biology expert. Now you understand the ist suffix pattern and can recognize these words everywhere in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.